Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use AI for website creation. First, clearly define your website's purpose and target audience. This initial step is crucial for guiding the AI. Next, select an AI-powered website builder that aligns with your technical comfort and project needs. Many platforms offer intuitive interfaces, making the process accessible for beginners. You'll be amazed at how quickly AI can bring your vision to life. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to feed the AI. Input your keywords and topics, and watch as it generates compelling text for your website pages. The AI can also suggest design elements, color schemes, and font pairings, helping you achieve a professional look. Remember to review and refine all AI-generated content to ensure it perfectly matches your brand's voice and message. This collaborative approach yields the best results. After the initial generation, personalize the AI-created designs with your unique branding elements, like logos and specific imagery. Leverage AI for search engine optimization suggestions, which can significantly improve your website's visibility. Don't forget to thoroughly test your website's responsiveness across various devices and browsers to ensure a seamless user experience for everyone. This step is vital for reaching a broad audience effectively. With everything in place, it's time to publish your website and share it with the world. Continuously monitor its performance using analytics tools to understand user behavior and identify areas for improvement. Regularly update your content and features to keep your site fresh and relevant, ensuring it continues to serve your audience effectively. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy website building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.